is Easy Sweethearts in the dance Nightclub Two Step. We're gonna start right to right. Dick will explain it all.
Right to right. So I am going to do my regular footwork, basic footwork for this. So there's no shadow position here. Rock back. 1 and 2, rock back. 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I'll do it from this direction this time. Again, I'm going right up to the shoulder on my 1 and 2. Just any way you can get to right will work. Standard footwork for basic, it's 1 and 2, rock her back, 3 and shift her over. And 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 on 3 and 4. Left goes up and over. Now I'll do a hand change on top, rock back 2, change hands, 3 and 4. I should do it facing the camera so you can see.
Okay.
You can see what it looks like from the front.
I just want to say he's going to be he's staying in place and moving me from side to side.
Here it is.
And go ahead.
3 on and 4. I shift her. 1 and 2. I shift her. And 4. So on 2 and 4, she gets shifted to either side. Now here's 1 and 2, 3 and up and over. Okay, then I do the hand change. 1 and she turns. 3 and 4, and I can pick her up.
Okay, so
Back to the camera.
let's do it this way so you can see he doesn't move much. 1 and 2.
Just back and back, leaders.
And 4. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 1 and 2.
On 3 and 4.
And 4.
Up and over. 1 and 2. Hand change. 3 and 4. And we can go out like this or something to bring you back.
Okay, those are Easy Sweethearts in Nightclub Two Step.